model, 68-plate Mercedes Sprinter 314 2.2 CDI fridge van 12 months MOT Euro 6 no VAT. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 102,573. MOT, the 26th of August 2026. Engine, 2143 cc OM651 MI2 2143 HP. Transmission, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash, darts and drives brilliantly. Fridge unit is in perfect working order, fresh 12 months MOT, absolute bargain with no VAT to pay whatsoever. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it.